Welcome back to more rural stuff, croeso nôl. In this video I'm going to take a look around Foel Dyrch, which is part of the Preseli Mountains, located near Mynachog Ddu. The mountain can be seen from the A478 main road between Crymych and Gladdy Cross. This stone sheepfold is located near the highest point of the mountain. The highest point is 368 metres above sea level. So let's take off with the DJI drone and explore the mountain. I was planning on taking off from inside the sheepfold, but I decided it wasn't the best idea as it was full of bees. I think there was a bee's nest in the wall. I think the bees have decided it's a good place to set up camp as they've got all the surrounding heather to feed on. There's a few disused quarries on the mountain which make the scenery more interesting, and also you can see in the distance later on an active quarry, Carn Wern, which was reopened for mining a few years ago, and you can see it just the other side of the A478. I hope you enjoyed my tour of Foel Dyrch. If you could subscribe to the channel, that'd be great, and thanks for watching.